Who is afraid of little wolf? The little wolf is so bored. Hello, squirrel. Will you play with me? Sorry, Mommy says I'm not allowed to play with wolves. The little wolf walks on. Will you play with me? He asks the little rabbit. Sorry, I can't. My mama says I'm not allowed to play with wolves. The little wolf sighs. Will you play with me? He asks the little fox. No, Mom says I'm not allowed to play with wolves. The little wolf is sad. Do you want to play with me? The little wolf looks around eagerly. Here I am, laughs the little bee. Aren't you afraid of me? Asks the little wolf. Nonsense, let's play hide and seek. And the little bee speeds off. The new friends are having a lot of fun. You can hear them all through the forest. The other animals prick up their ears. Suddenly, the squirrel stands before them. Can I play too? Then the fox joins them, and then the rabbit, the bear, the owl, the mole, the mouse. 1, 2, 3, here I come. The deer, the boar, and the bat. The end.